Let me run the black hole organizer. This is currently running on a Windows 7 64-bit machine. Things may appear a little different using XP or Vista, or even Windows 8, but the layout and basics are the same. Why is it called a black hole organizer, you may ask? Well, it was designed as an application that can store and organize all of your information and keep it available until you really need it. Kind of like a black hole of sorts on your computer. The main difference is you can retrieve this information upon demand. This is the default layout of the program when you first install it. Of course, the data that you see is not included. This is just something I put together for this demo to show you some ideas. The first thing I prefer is to have the categories, or have the category list, displayed on the left side of the screen. So let's change that. Much better. As you can see, there is a list of different categories on the left side of the screen, along with a list of documents and their contents to the right. The categories help you define the different groupings that you want to store the information in. Let's begin by clicking on some of the categories to show you the contents that are contained in them and how they relate. Here you can see we have different temperature conversions listed in 3 different documents. Looking to store code snippets of your favorite routines? Store them here. Say you have an old index card group of recipes. Need to store them? Create a category and store them in there. As you can see, you can paste pictures into the documents as well as your text. Need to store a link to a web page? You can either key them in or paste it from a site. Of course, you can click on the link, it'll take you to the web page. Need to create a new recipe for bread and butter pickles? Let's do that. Basically, you just click on New Document option, give it a name. That really can't be any easier. Key in the new recipe, but I'm going to cheat. I'm just going to paste the recipe as such, and voila, you have just entered a new document. Need to print it out? That's simple too. Just go to File, Print, or Control P, and it will print out with your document. You can set up any number of databases and switch back and forth between them as needed. This is very helpful to keep things or keep items together. Of course, you can store them all in one database. The choice is yours. Now that I have your attention, you can download a fully functional 30-day trial from our website, or of course purchase it directly from there. The address is www.starresoft.com/bho. All of our software comes with a full year of support along with all the upgrades and updates during that time. If you have any questions, please visit our help desk or check out our knowledge base on our website. Thank you for your time and hope you found this demo useful.